This 2016 Itasca Navion 24V is a Class C RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87123 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2016 Itasca Navion 24V is built on a Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.